Introducing the newest addition to the Active Pro family, the Active Pro Bluetooth Sports Watch. If you're looking for a simple yet effective sports watch, this may be a great option for you. To fire it up, we're going to hold the start and mode buttons together for a couple of seconds until the screen lights up. To fully appreciate this watch, you will need to connect it to your phone. The app that is used to connect the watch to your phone is the Sports Plus app, which can be found by scanning the QR code in the instruction manual included with the watch. To set up the Bluetooth connection, first ensure the Bluetooth logo is appearing in the center circle. You may have to press and hold the light button until it flashes. When that's done, open up the app and go to the menu here, tap Device Management, and tap Bind New Device. Tap the device that comes up and follow the prompts. The watch will automatically change the time and date to the phone's time and date, which is really handy. However, if you do need to change the time on the watch, hold down the reset button for 2 seconds, then use the start button to change the time, and the reset button to switch to the next value. Hit the mode button to confirm the changes. The mode button also lets you cycle through all the functions of the watch, starting with the date in month-day format, then a step counter, calories burned, your kilometers traveled throughout the day, an alarm function, and a stopwatch function. So this watch is packed full of useful features. Overall, the build quality is really sturdy, buttons feel solid, and the strap is easily adjustable and comfy. Despite its chunky build, it doesn't weigh down on the wrist, and it'll be a great watch to wear all day. On top of the features mentioned before, we have notification reminders for calls, texts, and other apps. These can be toggled on or off inside the app. You can also set your alarms inside that same menu just here. So that's the new Active Pro Bluetooth fitness watch. You can find this online at watchdepot.com.au or just click the link in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe for more watch content.